Hello guys, starting a new video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to program an photocell sensor named LDR. So this is the sensor right here. It's a small sensor, but I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use this module right here. And I'm going to use a couple jumpers, a LED, this resistor, and this proto board, the Arduino Uno, and more jumpers. I think that's enough. So this schematic is simple. All we need to do is put this LED. This is the positive side and this is the negative side. So I'm going to put the negative side here and connect it directly to the GND of the Arduino. But before connecting to the GND of Arduino, I'm going to put this resistor connected to the negative of the LED, and other side of the resistor connect to the GND of the Arduino, as you can see. GND of the Arduino. Then we are going to connect the positive side to pin 7. So here in the module, I'm going to connect with these 3 jumpers, male to female, and here we have VCC. Let me connect. I need another jumper just to make things prettier. This red jumper right here. It's a simple jumper, female to female. No, male to male, I don't know. I really don't know that. I forgot. So here I'm going to connect the GND to the GND of the proto board. My GND is this red cable and my VCC is this brown cable. And my signal cable I'm going to connect to pin 6. So the connections are done. But doesn't look cool. Okay, the connections are done here. So let me plug in the Arduino and start programming. So guys, here in the programming, pretty short programming. So here I define LED pin dot white LED to pin 7 as we put there, and we define the LDR pin to pin 6 as you saw there. Then I initiate the serial begin and 9600 always. Then I set pin mode of the LED pin to output and the LDR LDR pin to input. Then in our loop right here, I set the initial status, and I set LDR status to digital read of the LDR pin. This function is to the value of the LDR status will be equal of the value that is being reading by the pin 6, that is the LDR pin. Then I set to print serial LDR status, so that's the result. Then I put if the value is 0, digital write LED pin low, that means that is day. And if else, digital write, the light will be on, and that means that is night. So let's connect our computer to the Arduino. And start uploading. Still compiling. So it's uploading. Okay, the code has been uploaded. Okay, the code has been uploaded. The code is being uploaded. So here our sensor is already working. If I put my finger here in this photocell sensor, the LED will turn on, as you can see. Or if I make shadow, the LED will turn on. You can even use a relay. Let me find a relay right here, and I need to create jumpers. So let's make these negative. You can even use the relay. Just connect it right here pretty quick. And the signal cable to the LED pin. Like this. You see? Simple as that. So guys, that's all for today's video. Pretty short and quick. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye.